Hello, hi guys. So, welcome back to my channel. So, today we are gonna talk about five ways of networking, how to do those networking, and all. You know, so how to be a good networker and how to make those things to be prominent for you. So, how to attract those peoples, how to get in touch with those peoples, and how to make them to align with your own work and all. Yeah. So today, five ways of networking. So how to deal with the people. So how to get in touch with the people. How to make them realize like you're being very worth to them. Worth. You're very really worth to them. You know. Yeah. The first point is select the people, select the target. So where you just wanted to reach your end need, where you gonna you know just convey them what you are being set it out to. So select the people whom you want to make them as a customer. Research about them. So what is their background? So what are all their things? So what are all their achievements till now? So till date. So what are all their goals? So what are all their business ideas? What are all their business techniques? So how they build it in their market, so how they build their empire in the market. All these things very much essential for you to target those people. So the second point is getting close with them, you know being very touchy with them. So mm, being very close to them, and again being very interactive with them, and just kind of developing a relationship with them, developing good you know a good bonding with them, I mean to say. So how you are gonna make them to realize like you're very helpful to them and very kind to them, and again in the last, whenever the relationship is getting closer or bonding is getting closer, by then you have to give a gift to them. Like, see, you are closing a deal at $1,000, or somewhere like lakhs to together or close together, you're bringing a funding to them. So that doesn't mean that you are building a good relationship with them, because you're not even started. Okay, you're not even started to that platform. So to reach out their platform, you need to make them realize you're worth with that, you know and again, gifting in the sense, you are just giving them what they really like about themselves. If they are really liking some champagnes or something like useful products, really, they're admiring with the usability for every day, you're just giving them, like, you're offering a car or something which is your level up to. Like, see, you're making them to um, align with your you know with your closing the deal, which is around lakhs together. At that scenario, you need to give them at least 1,000. You know, if that project or a deal it's very worth to you, then you have to give them. You know, and again, the third point is being visible. You know, it seems like getting closer. Like, being visible is like, so in and all, in a business, you are being very close to them, you are being very visible to everyone till you get very attached with them. That's what I meant to say. So next, uh, fourth uh, fourth point is take care of your image. Being more likely to uh, you know being more likely to approach it's always be better like you're being very good to yourself as well, like you're being very productive to your image, you know, because if a person is making himself to align with yourself, then he'll be judging like, am I, it's gonna be, can it be done or something like, is that person is worth with that, he'll be just thinking about that. So that's why every time you have to take care of your image, and you have to, level up yourself regardless of work, mental health, business, you know, that's one, etc. And the fifth point is being helpful and at a needed point. So sometimes, rather than just gifting or offering something, so the opposite person will be in a very bad situation that you just wanted an help from your side, or someone who can really just do that without thinking anything. At that point, you are just grabbing the attention, you are just grabbing the platform. So that will be a very key point to you. You know, you are just, keeping that person to grab yourself, grabbing that opportunity by yourself, and you're making that person to, agree with your thought. So that is how you just grab their attention to your, and making them to, attracting your own platform. You're just attracting them to be with your own thought. So this is how you are gonna make it. There are n number of ways of networking are there. Really, you just wanted to learn about. So for this last 10 to 15 minutes, this is what the content I can share. Keep supporting me. This is very much essential for me. Keep supporting me. Subscribe, like the channel, comment and share the channel. So thanks for the support, everyone. So from here onwards, I'll be looking after the sales and the content creation. So how the person has to deal with other person. So how the person has to, document everything in his own mind, how to be a better at every day. So every thought, every implementation, a new strategies, new techniques, new implementations, how you are gonna develop in yourselves to be a better leader, to be a better person, to be better, human. So thank you guys. Let's meet on next video. Until that, like, share, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.